everyone, this is Meeta. My latest business bookkeeping spreadsheet now also calculates self-employment taxes, plus you can keep track of owner draws. So let's see how this works. Hi everyone, this is Meeta. Thank you for joining me. Today I am going over my business bookkeeping spreadsheet, which tracks income, expenses, as well as non-operating transactions like owner draws, investments, loan payments, and so on. And it has a new feature where it also tracks estimated taxes. This spreadsheet has been set up primarily for service-based companies like realtors, insurance companies, lawyers, appraisers. That is why I have not kept any cost of goods sold expenses. You have 15 income sources, you have 46 operating expenses, and you have 15 non-operating items like owner draws, any investment, loan payments, asset purchases, and so on. You can change any of the income sources, operating expenses, non-operating items simply by going into these boxes and typing over them. So say for example, we want to put in an item like services. The dashboard is completely automatic and gives you a bird's eye view of how your business is performing. On a monthly and year-to-date basis, you get a detailed breakdown of all your income sources, your operating expenses, any non-operating items like owner draws, investments, loan payments, and asset purchases. Let's go over to the income tab and enter some transactions. I've already entered some sample transactions. And the nice thing about the spreadsheet is you can enter your transactions in any order. There is no need to be chronological. So say for example, we can put in something like Jan 5 and choose consulting fees. Let's say it's 5,000, and you'll see in your dashboard $5,000 of consulting fees have been added in Jan. If you have any sales tax for any services that you provide, you can even enter it over here. Each line item can have its own sales tax rate. For example, say for this particular service that you provided, there was a sales tax of 5%. If you enter that, it will calculate that for you and show the total up on top over here. Going over to the right, you have more columns in which you can enter the type of service, the description, and any notes. Going over to the expenses tab, again, I've entered some sample transactions, and as you can see, it's very easy to enter. Just enter, say for example, again, Jan 15th. Choose the expense category from the drop-down menu. Let's say advertising, and let's say you paid $100. You can put in who you paid it to, the receipt number, and any notes. And the dashboard will show you the $100 in advertising in Jan. We come to the non-operating items tab. This is a new feature in this spreadsheet, and this basically allows you to record any transactions that are of a non-operating kind. For example, owner draws. So say for example in March we had an owner draw of $250. You'll see in the dashboard this gets shown separately from your income and expenses in March, $250. Similarly, if you have some other transactions like say let's say we had a loan payment and we paid $500, this too will get shown in the dashboard under loan payment $500 in June. Next we come to the profit and loss statement, also called the income statement. This is completely automatically generated and is also set up to print, so it's very neat to have to print out and hand to your accountant at the end of the year, or to your bank, or just for your own records. Next we come to the estimated taxes tab. All the calculations here are done automatically for you. It calculates for you your total self-employment tax for each month and also for each quarter. Next, you also have an estimated taxable income per month, and it will calculate for you the total estimated tax payable, including the federal tax, state tax, and the self-employment tax. Please bear in mind that all these calculations are being based on the income and expenses that are being shown in this spreadsheet alone. Any additional income is not going to be included over here, and also the deductions are being taken from this spreadsheet itself. Additional deductions will not be included. You will also need to enter thresholds according to your filing status. For example, I've entered this as 200,000 for the Medicare threshold for additional tax. This may change according to your filing status, as will the standard deduction and the federal tax and state tax percentages. Spreadsheet also has a balance sheet template, and the amounts over here would be entered by you manually. It is set up for printing, so it's nice to have as a printout for your records or to hand to a bank or investor. We also have a cash flow statement over here, and some of the figures will be pulled in automatically from the spreadsheet, and some other cash flow items like from investing activities or financing activities will be entered by you. There is also a debt schedule template in which you can enter all the information relating to your mortgages, loans, lines of credit, and notes. I hope you found this video useful. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can also reach me at moneyusage.com. I hope you subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.